In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best laboratory power supply available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user review before creating the laboratory power supply list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the laboratory power supply mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, USB Digits Regulated Laboratory Power Supply 30V5A10A. This power supply offers adjustable voltage up to 30V with a current rating of either 5A or 10A, making it versatile for use in repairing PCBs, charging phone batteries, and other laboratory tasks. The USB functionality ensures easier connectivity with devices, enhancing its utility. Ideal for electronics repair and precision tasks, this power supply is well suited for professional and DIY users. Number 4, ALIENTEK DP100 DC Power Supply Adjustable 30V5A. The ALIENTEK DP100 is a compact and portable power supply with adjustable voltage up to 30V and 5A of current. Designed for laboratory and repair tasks, it offers digital control for accuracy. Its small size makes it ideal for on-the-go professionals or small workspaces, while its robust features make it suitable for a variety of tasks, including circuit board testing and battery charging. Number 3, Nice Power USB DC Regulated Lab Power Supply Adjustable 30V10A. This Nice Power unit is an adjustable DC power supply that offers up to 30V and 10A of output. It is perfect for laboratory use, electronics DIY, and other precision-based applications. The addition of USB functionality makes it easier to interface with various devices, adding more convenience for users who need regulated power for testing and development. Number 2, Wanptek Programmable DC Power Supply WPS3010H 30V10A. The Wanptek WPS3010H is a high-performance, programmable power supply capable of delivering 30V and 10A. Designed for laboratory work and maintenance tasks, it is ideal for adjusting voltage and current levels with precision. Its ability to operate with both 220V and 110V AC makes it flexible and easy to use across different regions. The programmable feature allows users to automate testing processes, saving time and effort. Number 1, KUAIQU DC Laboratory Power Supply 30V 60V 120V Adjustable. This laboratory power supply offers adjustable voltage regulation up to 120V, making it versatile for multiple uses. Designed for laboratory work, it can be used to test and power different electronic devices, including PCB and phone battery repairs. With a preset current on/off feature, this power supply provides enhanced control and protection for devices. It is suitable for professional and DIY users who need a reliable and precise power source.